VineCables.com offers patch cables. These are made with Mogami Gold cabling, Neutrik Gold plugs, and Rheem plugs. These are the Neutrik plugs in a standard configuration. This is an opposite configuration. These are the flathead Rheem plugs in a standard configuration and an alternate configuration. You can get these in any color and any length that you want. It's listed on my website at vinecables.com, or you can give me a call or text me with what your requirements are, and I can make you the cable. If you want to rock, plug in your Vine.